Hello everyone, welcome to this Flutter responsive screen tutorial. I will explain how to create a Flutter screen responsive across different screen sizes. Here we have a simple sign up screen and we will convert this to a Flutter screen. So once it's converted, we open this screen on different devices and make the screen responsive. I have a Flutter application here and I defined a few constants and these are the colors that we are going to use in the project. And I already created a sign up screen and the main.dat file I set this sign up screen as the default screen. And if you look at the Figma design, you can see that we have a few UI elements and I think we can use a column widget for aligning these UI elements. So let's create a column widget inside this sign up screen. So in the Figma design, we have a title, subtitles, then we have these text boxes and a button and a link to sign up login page. So my plan is to set the children like this. So first let's create the title. So for title I am going to create a text widget. So I created a text widget and added these styles, and this color, this title color is coming from this constant, and I set the font size and font weight. And if you look at the screen, you can see that the text widget is not in the screen, it's not properly aligned. So what we want to do is we want to wrap this sign up page with a safe area. So let's do that. So if you look at that simulator, you can see we have the title here and it's aligned properly. And let's add the next widget. That's also a text widget. So I added this subtitle and this is what we have in Figma. And we need to align this text onto the center of the screen. So let's add a property here that is text align. Now the text is on the center. So now let's add the text fields. So let's add a text field for this email. So if you look at the screen, we have these three elements: title, subtitle, and a text field. And if you notice, it's too congested here, and we need to add some padding here, and also we need to add some spacing between these elements. So first I'm going to make this text field a separate widget so we can reuse the widget for this password and confirm password. I'm going to create a new folder, widgets, and a new widget for text field. So now we have a field for email, and let's use the same field for password and confirm password. So we have three fields here. So let's add some padding and spacing between these column children. So now we have padding, then let's add spacing between these children. Yes, and now what we want to do is this, we want to set a label for these input fields. So we have to create a parameter here, and we have to pass it from the sign up screen. I created two variables here, hint text and is password, and I am passing these values from the text field widget in the sign up screen. So I'm passing email, then false is password, because we don't need we need to hide the text here, but here we need to hide that, we can hide the text. So this is what we have right now, and I created a widget that is text field widget, and I am passing two values, hint text and is password. Hint text means this label that we are showing here, and is password means for password and confirm password we need to hide the text like this, but in case of here we are showing the text. So this is the sign up screen right now, and in the UI we have this one, and next we need to add this button. So let's add an elevator button here. Now we have this button, and let's add the link to our sign up page now. Now we have the UI ready on the screen, and it's almost, see, this is the UI that we have on Figma. This is what we have on our Flutter application. So now what we are going to do is we will open this application on different devices and see how responsive is this layout. I opened the application on 3 different devices. This is iPad mini, this is iPhone 15, and this is iPhone 13 mini. So if you watch closely, you can see that the UI elements are not proportional on these 3 devices, especially the text size and the spacing between UI elements. So that's what we are going to fix. In order to make the screen adaptive and responsive, we are going to use this package, and it's called Flutter Util, and it's easy to install and implement. So let's install this package in the application. To install the package, I opened the pubsec.yaml file and added the dependency here. Then execute the command flutter pub get. We install the package and we are going to implement the package in the application. If you look at the documentation, we can see that this is how we should implement the package. So in our project, we are returning a material app. In order to implement the package, we need to wrap the material app with this screen util init method. And in this method, we need to pass the design size. Design size means that's something we get from the Figma design. So if you look at the screen, this is the design, and you can see that the design size is 428 into 926. So we created these elements on this particular layout, this size. So that's what we have to mention. And we have a builder method here, and we need to pass the return the material app from here. So let's do that. I defined the screen util init method in my main.dat file, and I also defined the screen size, and I also set this value as true, so we get the font size adapted in various screen sizes. So let's import the package. So we imported the package and defined the screen size, and let's start making some changes in the code. So we have defined some sizes here, like font size, height, width, etc. So in order to in order to make the page responsive in all kind of devices, we need to define the size in a different way. So here we define the size as 30, but in order to make it responsive, we have to define it like 30.sp. So sp is something we get from this package, so let's import that. We have to, so this size is slightly adjusted, and let's adjust this size so we can make it constant. So remove that and set it as C. Once I set this sp value, this size adjusted slightly. So in the case of height, we have to use h. So in case of height, we need to specify it like his. So in all places where we have height, I'm going to update it like his, like this. So size box height, it's h. So whenever we use this radius, we have, instead of this h, we have to use r. So here font size, that's SP. So we have values like .h, .sp for font, and .r for radius, and we also have .w for width. We can use this const for this adjustment, so we have to remove that. So I think we are good. So here it's height, so define h, remove const. So I think all values, I think all size values, I think I defined, I adjusted it like that. Let me reconfirm. So everything is set on this file, and we have to adjust this widget as well. So here we are going to use it R. We have to import the function, sorry, the package. So it's like, so in case of radius, we are going to use R. So here it's width, so we use W. So I think we are good. We defined it everywhere. So now I am going to check the application on different sizes and see how it looks on different screen sizes. I opened the application on different devices, and if you look closely, you can see that the text size, spacing, width, height, everything is proportional. So if you compare the design, compare the application or the layout that we received or we got before implementing the package, it was not that perfect. But now if you look at on these devices, you can definitely say that the everything is looks good, everything is proportional.